My arrival here in Mbombela has been also overwhelming as it did in Middleburg. Just met a young man, Sibusiso,
Yes.
19 years old, excited to get an opportunity to register. In fact, I'm so pleased because he was actually advised by her mom about the power of voting, and he decided on his own to really come out and register for his future, not for anybody else, which is actually what voting is all about. How do you feel, Sibusiso, to have an opportunity to decide the future of South Africa?
It's my first time, so I can't see how I feel, but hopefully I make the right decision.
You make the right decision. You know what? Voting is important. The only way we're going to save our country is by making sure that we must learn every 5 years we vote for political parties, and when they don't deliver, you don't wait for 30 years because 30 years might destroy your future. Learn to vote politicians in and learn to vote them out when they fail to deliver for you. So let me take you in.